Realme is set to launch its GT7 Pro flagship in India on November 18th. It will be offered in Mars Exploration Edition, Star Trail Titanium, and Light Domain white color options. The phone will have 3 cameras on a square island and HyperImage Plus branding. The Realme GT7 Pro includes its custom-made Samsung OLED panel, a 6.78-inch micro-quad curved 8T LTPO Samsung Eco Superscript 2 OLED Plus display with 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 6,000 nits of peak brightness, and support for ultrasonic under-display fingerprint reader. Powering the GT7 Pro is the Snapdragon 8 Extreme Edition processor, delivering a 45% boost in CPU performance and a 40% improvement in GPU efficiency compared to the previous generation, with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The handset is tipped to ship with Android 15-based Realme UI. The Realme GT7 Pro has a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS and a Sony IMX906 sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera Sony IMX882, and a 16-megapixel front camera. Realme GT7 Pro's global version has 5,800 mAh battery. Supports 120W charging. The Realme GT7 Pro will be Realme's first phone to offer IP69 level dust and water resistance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.